Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best electric bicycle in this video? I will show you the top 5 best electric bicycles to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Ridstar Winner. Specifications: brand name, Ridstar. Model number, Winner. Rated passenger capacity, 1 seat. Style, luxury type. Max speed, 30 to 50 km per hour. Range per power, 60 km. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Motor, brushless. Wheel size, 20 inches. Wattage, 500 watts. Foldable, yes. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 48 volts. Number 4 is 3000 watts electric bike. Specifications: brand name, TT Ebike. Wheel size, 26 inches. Wattage, 500 watts. Foldable, yes. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 52 volts. Origin, US origin. As the item number 3, we've selected Oster Motor 500 watts bike. Specifications: brand name, Oster Motor. Model number, A20. Rated passenger capacity, 1 seat. Style, mini type. Max speed, 40 km per hour. Range per power, 31 to 60 km. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Motor, brushless. Wheel size, 20 inches. Wattage, 351 to 500 watts. Foldable, yes. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 36 volts. Certification, CE. Number 2 is electric bike for adults. Specifications: rated passenger capacity, 1 seat. Style, mini type. Max speed, 30 to 50 km per hour. Range per power, 31 to 60 km. Motor, brushless. Wheel size, 14 inches. Wattage, 351 to 500 watts. Foldable, yes. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 60 volts. On the top of our list at number 1 we have EKX T1. Specifications: brand name, EKX. Model number, EKX T1. Rated passenger capacity, 1 seat. Style, luxury type. Max speed, 50 km per hour. Range per power, 60 km. Frame material, steel. Motor, brushless. Wheel size, 20 inches. Wattage, 500 watts. Foldable, no. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 48 volts. Maximum speed, 30 miles per hour. Waterproof level, IP56.